Hi students, let's have a look at this expression 3 into 2 plus 5 within parenthesis and the whole thing raised to the power 2 divided by 5. Now let's go ahead and simplify this expression. Now the first thing we are going to do is look at the parenthesis because the order of operation says that we must first resolve the parenthesis. So yes, we take the parenthesis and within that parenthesis we have an addition operation going on 2 plus 5. So we will do the addition inside the parenthesis first. So we get 7. So now it is a 7 raised to the power 2. Next, we do the exponentiation operation. Okay, that's next in line. So raise 7 to the second power. We get 49 as the answer. Now, next thing we do is we see a multiplication and a division sign. Okay, both of them have the same priority. So we go from left to right. So we do the multiplication first, 3 into 49. That gives us 147. Okay, now we have 147 divided by 5. This is the last operation left. So we perform this operation and we get 29.4 as the answer. Hope this is clear to you now. Thank you very much.